I'm sorry, y'all. TikTok took my sound yet again. So, with that being said, let's skip on to part 5.
Do me a favor. I want you to burn yourself now.
Look at that shit fresh out the grease. Golden brown. That shit looking good. Look at them fries, man. You don't want that in your life? Pull up, nigga. Stop bullshitting with yourself. Pull up, man. It's lit out this motherfucker. Y'all wonder what he's spraying on now? That's a little seasoning, you know what I'm saying? So when you bite it now, you taste a piece of seasoning every bite. Who else doing it like this for y'all in Columbus? Please drop some names. Because otherwise, shut the fuck up and pull up on us, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to let y'all actually see him prepare these for y'all, man.
Connie, I have $1 and I can't get $1. Because I don't want you my phone. She did that. She saw me. She did it all her. She wanted that dog. She done dressed me like that dog. Let me show me something. But I'm going to show you this stuff.
Look at that shit. Drizzling them motherfuckers.
You ain't got me right.
Now get that weekend, she was all in my face.
Know about it.
Yeah, wait.
If a nigga don't work, he a fucking link. Come get what? I ain't mad on them motherfucking corner free. Jay Cundy got the fucking wings jumping. Jay Cundy got the fucking wings jumping.
Look at that, child. Look at that plate. Look at that. You need that in your life.
That man got that boy. That man got the strongest bag.
Man, you need to pull up, nigga. Pull up, nigga. Look at that.
That man pull up like an Uzi.
You need that in your life. And the prices is decent. We ain't tearing your mouth out like the competition. You need to pull up on it. You know what I'm talking about? You see that shit? Look at that steam rising off that shit. Get a close up on that shit, man. Fresh, nigga.
Tell me when you gonna get them right coming back the same night.
Alright, the same night. Look at that drizzling that. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. We don't fuck around. The best seasonings, the best flavors.
There go little bruh. Little bruh.
Yeah.
I wanted to fix it in your face. That's why I ain't got to do shit. I already know it. I'm fixing your face. It's already done. I appreciate you. You feel me? I'm going to check that music out too. See, I do bro, you alright?
Hey, man, that shit was good, boy. Like gravy, boy.
We crushing them.
Gravy, boy. Yeah, I almost like that Texas shit, boy, you heard? Hey, that shit was smacking, dog. Hey.
For these.
That nigga shit about like Texas, that shit was smacking, dog. Hey, I'm gonna Texas, that shit like smacking. Doritos, shit. The hot sauce, boy. Hey, it was good. I'm gonna H-Town, you know what I'm saying? But that shit was smacking, though. I know my sister back, though. She just come down here in Mississippi, though. For real, though.
Yeah, you hear? Satisfied customers, nigga. Pull up on us, man. Y'all gonna let us keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and then we're gonna be so big. You can't just come in the neighborhood in Columbus and get this. So pull up on us and take advantage. You don't know where we is? Let me show you. See that? Club Legends. Everybody knows the fuck this is. If you from Columbus, you know. Pull up on us, man. 35 and up. Grown people on it. No kids. I'm sorry. You're 18. You're 18 through 25. You can't come, man. Number grown people out here, man. Yeah.
Too bad. Oh, you got to take it. Put him up, dog. Oh, nigga said you don't do it, dog. Hey, man, see, down in Houston. See the gun, dog. Hey, I'm blowed up on tacos.
That's why I eat, boy. I eat tacos Monday through Friday. No bullshit, man. Taco truck.
They got I don't know nobody, though.
Oh, dude. Man, I'm telling you, bro. They got sweet corn. They got everything up there. The real Mexican way. Real Migo way. They got four real milk. I swear to God, they got the damn brine, the onions on their milk.
Okay. What's up? So who getting the wings then?
Me?
What kind of wings are those?
Honey lemon pepper.
Oh, hot lemon pepper?
Yes, sir. Honey lemon
They
pepper.
have a pie?
Motherfucking fire.
Okay, you say so. I believe you, though. Put that shit on you. Post that shit, dog.
Oh, yeah.
Then you got some damn Doritos. Hey, dude, I'm gonna phone with them, though. Later.
Look at that. Honey lemon pepper.
About that, yeah, I want my shit in the plate. I want my shit in the plate. And how much for an extra bag of chips?
On your job, you got a promotion, but I hope that man is treating you good, giving you love and devotion.
Not a bad surprise. Looking good. That shit. That shit look good, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see them wings right there busting like a 12 gauge?
Hey, Jay. What's up with it, huh? Everything right? You doing right, man?
Yeah. I'm going here to get some ketchup. Looking for the ketchup. Look at them golden brown, like grandma used to make. Boy, go on there and check on that chicken. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, man. Look at that shit, y'all. Look at that shit. Zoom in on that. You don't think these niggas seeing the crisp around that chicken, man. Now, this shit made fresh soon as you order it, nigga. This ain't no sit over the stove shit. This shit fresh. You bite into a juicy ass flavor and shit. You know what I'm saying? Man, look at that rotel, y'all. You can't tell me that don't look good.
You have to slow down on these blues. On these blues.
I bought some more